sun comes up before the world wakes. Coffee in a paper cup, boots already laced. Cold wind blowing through an old work shirt. Another long day, another back that hurts. But somebody's dream is waiting on these walls. A place for little footsteps running down the hall. And every nail we drive, every board we raise, becomes somebody's memory someday. Built with these hands, dust and sweat and sacrifice. Long days, late nights, just trying to build a better life. We bend, but we don't break, no matter what this world demands. Yeah, this town still stands. Built with these hands. Rain on the roof while we're still outside, trying to finish one more thing before the daylight dies. Cuts on our fingers, paint on our jeans. Nobody really knows how hard this life can be, but we keep showing up when the work gets tough, 'cause the people we love depend on us. And every scar tells a story true of what hard work can really do. Built with these hands, callous skin and broken plans. Still we rise, still we stand through every storm and shifting sand. We leave our mark across this land. Yeah, this town still stands.